Okay, everyone, hello and welcome to this little screencast. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to help the students get their simplified version of the schedule together so that they'll know where to go on the first couple of days of school. The first thing I'm going to tell you is I'm using Lexi Triolo's schedule. This video is only for internal use because it's got student information on it. So it's to teach you, but you cannot use it with the students. So anyhow, on the left side of the screen, you can see I've got Lexi's schedule from Genesis. And on the right side, I've got the simplified version of things that we handed out to everybody. The first thing to notice is that if you're a science, social studies, or Spanish teacher, your kids will have something that looks like this, which has the 3 classes in the morning on the ACEGI day. And if you're in language arts or math, your students should have one that has the 2 classes in the morning. So you might want to just double check that works. Obviously, they work the same way, just reversed. So anyhow, we're just going to go through some of the basics here. Obviously, the name is Lexi's name, so I'll type her in. Her locker number is right down here, which is 101. So we're going to use locker 101 there. And her combination in the same spot right there is 29943. So we'll type that in. So that's pretty simple. Homeroom teacher is Mr. Goodman. And he's in room 18. Okay, and that goes in both spots. Now, it is important to remember your kids will be handwriting this. It's not as effective for them to type it. I didn't send it out that way, but it works the same way as this. So let's go to the periods now. So the first period for Lexi is social studies. So we're looking for period 1 and we're looking for ACE days. Okay, so period 1 on ACEGID, she's got social studies, and that's in room 18. Okay, now we're going to look for period 2. Remember, it's split 2A, 2B, doesn't matter. 2A and 2B for A days, again, is Spanish. So we're going to write Spanish, and she's in room 17 for that. No, she's not. She's in room 37 for that. Sorry. And then her third period on ACE days, the next thing we're looking for is science. So we're going to type in science. Okay, now we're going to go look for the afternoon. Again, we're looking just for ACE day right now, ACEGI day. In the afternoon, during 7th period, she has language arts with Miss Jones. So we'll type in language arts and her room number, which is 19. And then she finishes up her day with math. We can see that she's got math on ACE day with Miss Tao. So we'll just type math and room, and room 20 for that. Okay, so we have our core periods set for the A day, for ACEGI day. Those are the same as our afternoon for B, D, and F day, and they're color coded for a reason. Okay, so the kids are going to be able to see exactly where they are from the colors. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Your kids are going to copy it by hand. But again, we're looking to match up the colors. So whatever they have in the morning one day, they have in the same order the afternoon the next day, and vice versa. Whatever they have in the afternoon that day, they have the same order in the morning. Now we're going to get to slightly more complicated ones. Now we're going to go to the electives. So she's got lunch period 4. That's already put into her schedule. So everybody's got their lunch added. She's got her cycles and electives period 5. So on ACE day during the first trimester, she has sculpture and design. So I typed in art and the room number is 26. On B days, BDFHJ day during T1, she has peer leadership. So I typed that in, that's room 45. Now let's go to T2. T2 on ACEG and I days, she's got BTV. So the kids will write in BTV. Leave the space there so it's easy to read. And that is in room 34. And then on BDF days during T2, she's got engineering. Okay, so we're going to type in engineering. Again, in your case, engineering, sorry. In your case, you're going to have the kids handwriting it. That's 27. And then during T3, on A days, she's got art again, which is in 26. And on B days, she's going to have digital arts. which is going to be in room 25. Okay, so now she knows where her electives are for the entire year, for ACE days and for BDF days. Okay, now the last thing she has to put in is her PE. This year, we only have PE 4 out of every 5 days. So there's 2 ways to do this. One way is look at the PE and it says A, B, D, E, which means we know C day is missing, okay? And then H day is the same thing. Or her other class, which is academic competition, which is going to be on C and H day. So academic competition, I have academic games written there. I'll rewrite that. Is going to be on C and H days. And she'll write them in there, okay? And now she's got her whole schedule set up, okay? So she handwrites that. She now follows this. She's always got this as a backup, but now she knows what she's doing every day. So that's what you're going to be doing with the kids on the first day. If you have any questions about how to do this, make sure you check with me. If not, no problems. You'll go over this with the kids in homeroom. Most of 7th and 8th graders will be able to do this easily. The 6th graders obviously might need a little more time in doing this. And then you'll just remind them on every A day to follow their schedule straight down. B day, they follow it down on the B side. C day is on the left side. D day is on the right side, and so on. And that's how they know where to go. All right. Thanks very much.